Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the game you want to study and clicking Analysis. This immediately loads the interactive board and engine. Make sure to set engine depth to a level you understand, low for quick hints, higher for deep lines. Once done, toggle autoplay if you want moves replayed, or step through the moves manually to follow thought processes. You should also enable Move List and Evaluation Bar so you can see shifts in advantage as you go. Now, focus on the engine and auxiliary tools. Inspect suggested moves and explore alternate lines in the Lines pane. You want to understand why the engine prefers certain continuations. Make sure to flip the board or set the side to analyze from white or black's perspective, because context matters. Once comfortable, open the Opening Explorer and use Guess mode to test patterns. Pause at critical positions to add your own notes. That reinforces. To finish, save your annotated analysis and export the PGN for offline study. That preserves lines and notes. Then compare critical positions with the Opening Explorer to spot recurring motifs and typical mistakes so you know what to practice. If the engine becomes slow or unresponsive, lower the depth, refresh the page, or clear your browser cache. That usually fixes hiccups. If problems persist, try a different browser. Otherwise, you're ready to apply lessons in your next game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.